Hello my amazing people, welcome back to the channel. Now in this video I want to show you how you can create a simple sticky click to call button in your Elementor website. Let's jump straight in. Now besides our click to call button being sticky in this website over here, we will also have our button global. That means that when someone clicks over right here on any other page, they will still have that button, or they will be able to still access that click to call button on your website, and they can easily call you regardless on where they are on your website. One of the main reasons why I actually recommend using this kind of button is that when someone clicks over right here, automatically they are connected to their phone calling app or phone app, so that they are able to make the call there, and then than having actually to type in these numbers over here into their cell phone. Now let's get started. So the number one thing we are going to have, of course, we are going to have Elementor Pro, and the reason why I say Elementor Pro is that we are going to add this button as one. You can use it as a global widget, or you can actually simply add it in your header and then you simply position it anywhere on your website. Now I didn't use the global widget option simply because I have to copy paste the same widget on any other page. What I did was simply to add this widget in the header, and once I have it in the header, I can simply position it anywhere on this website and I'm good to go. So now let's get started. What I simply had to do was to open up my header section. So I went to templates, then I went to theme builder, and under theme builder I have my header template. I simply opened up my header template, and once I open up my header template, when you look into my navigator, you realize I have this column called the phone column, and I simply added this icon over here. Now our header simply just had this normal widget over here, which is a text widget. What we are going to do is simply add an icon, drop it into your header, and then we're going to simply position it to be just the very last one in that column. And then we're going to come over here, we're simply going to choose our icon for the phone. So this one, I will insert it. I'm going to add the link. You know, when someone clicks on this button, what happens? They will call that number, whatever number it is. Then what you're going to do is simply come to style, and we're going to give it the style that we want. So in this case, I want something like that. And then on hover, it will turn green. So that's what I'm having at the moment. Then I'm going to do one other thing, like a little bit reduce the size or simply resize it. I'm going to come to advanced. I'm going to come here to motion effects because I want it to fade in. So fade in right, just like that. Then I'm going to go down below here to positioning. I'm going to come to width. I'm going to make it in 9, okay, so that it's standing just kind of like a lone widget. And then we are going to come right down here to position. We are going to make it to be fixed. Once you change it, it's going to move right here on the top left hand side of your page. We are going now to move it to our right hand side because we want it to position down below here. Then we are going to change the vertical orientation to bottom, something like this. Now you still have the option to, you know, move it a little bit up or a little bit down. And also on the horizontal offset, you can still move it out, or you can move it a little bit more inside. Okay, that's what I prefer. Simply update. That means that now our icon is in the header and it's positioned somewhere right below here on our page. Now whenever someone is scrolling, that's what they'll be seeing. Now when I click over here on preview, this is how it looks like. Okay, now let's go straight to the home page. And boom, that's how it looks like. There is this, which requires someone actually to type in the digits, which I don't like. So I prefer to use this one over here. And you realize when someone clicks on this button, boom, they open up their phone calling app. In this case, I'm using this computer, which is FaceTime. But if someone is using their phone, then it will simply open up just like you see here on the screen, and someone will be able to make that phone call. Now, if you don't have Elementor Pro, you are unable to achieve this because you don't have the option to create a header, which is a global header. That means that you won't be having the ability to add this widget into your header. Now, the other option, what you may do is simply add that widget on your home page, just like this over here. So I simply added this widget into my first section of the home page, which is this section. So in that section I added the button. Then what you have to do is copy that widget, and you're going to go pasting that widget in other first columns and trying to reposition it. But now the challenge with that is that when you make changes on this button on one area, you have to repeat or simply copy paste the same changes of this widget on all the other pages where that appears or where that one is applied, in case we are using Elementor Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope now you have an idea on how you can create this simple sticky click to call button in your Elementor website that will be visible anywhere within your website. So in case you have any questions or comments, please let me know down in the comment box below. And if you're new to the channel, please give it a subscribe. And if you like this video, give it a like. That actually helps me out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good time and goodbye.